Namaskaram friends. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the important issues of 28th of May 2022. And now we are dealing with another 5 different questions which are varying in different arena. So these are basically first one is related with Mangarh Massacre, which is happening in near the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Second one is dealing with coal power Tholpavakkoothu, something like that, which is a ancient art temple art form which is performed by mainly men till now in the Kerala. Third one is SARFAESI Act, which is the economic act of the India. Fourth one is related to our human body. What parts of our human body we donate so that other people benefit from it. And another next one is related to GenU movement. GenU movement, GenU movement. Basically, GenU movement basically means global unlimited movement. Okay, global unlimited movement called GenU movement. So in today's lecture, we are dealing with 5 different topics, and these are this. Okay, so massacre is related with history. Kola Power Part 2 is related with culture. Surface is related with economy. Human body is related with biology. And next one you can say global movement, global GenU movement, GenU movement. That means what is the full form? It is global something movement. So this is a full form, global. Global unlimited movement. So when we dealing with this topic, we understand that in this topics which type of people affect. In history, people who are lived here, we remembering people who sacrificed their life for the freedom of this country. People when British rule came, when Mughal rule came, when Indian ruler, how they exploit farmers and weaker section of society, and what is the condition of society during that period. So through history, we are generally basically talk about this aspect. And when we understand history, we manage, or you can say we better our present as well as our future. That's why it is very important. In terms of culture, people who are nowadays, or you can say from which time period culture came until now, and how type of people, which number of people and which type of people perform this activity, and other people are benefited from it. Okay, so there are some people also who time to time remind people that understand about your history. Other people who perform art, preserve it. Another one is related to surface economy. People have on daily basis deal with economic situations, so the development is happening in a faster manner in our country. Next one is related to health, related to health. That means on daily basis we pay attention on our body so that we keep it healthy, and there is a very less chance that types of donation or types of organ donation or types of other things required, because if most of the people are healthy, this chances is very less. That means organ donation, and people when die, we buried them, or you can say cremate them in a proper good manner without donating this body. This is good, but if everyone is healthy now, many people do not, many people resist from donating. Fewer people are donating. So if we make our people healthier, then this process is, this you can say, issue is automatically gone. Next one is related with global unlimited movement. It is related with the children, their skill development, their education, their exposure to the activities. So in this manner, we try to understand what is the need of current generation. Okay, and in this manner we make policy and programs so that they benefited from this. Okay, so this is a very brief introduction of today's lecture, and remember that the whole crux of the whole lecture is we try to convey knowledge to the whole world that whatever types of problem prevalent in the whole world, we come together, who are capable of, who are, you can say, healthy, must devote their time and life into this process and solve the problem of the whole world in whichever region you live, whichever gender you are, from whichever, whatever your background in terms of educated, uneducated, poor, illiterate, literate, poor, rich, whatever your background is. As much as you can, try to solve the problem and live a good full-fledged life for you, for your children, for your society, for the nation, as well as for the whole world. And try to always, we try to become a part of the solution, not try to become part of the problem. We remove problem and proceed toward the solution. The whole aim and objective of each lecture is this: we try to solve problem, help people, and make this planet Earth a better planet Earth for us as well as for our future generation. Okay, so let's now start with today's topic. Today's topic is Mangarh Massacre. Mangarh is a place near the border of Gujarat and Rajasthan. So this massacre happened when British ruled in our India. So it is called a tribal Jallianwala. Your can say Adivasi Jallianwala. So the massacre which took place 6 years before the Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh happened in 1919. Okay, so 6 years before that, in 1930, in November 17, 1930, hundreds of Bhil tribes, remember Bhil tribes, okay, just a minute. Hundreds of Bhil tribes being killed by British forces. So hundreds of Bhil tribes are killed by British forces on January 17, 1933 in the hills of Mangarh on the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat. So on the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat, there is a hill called Mangarh. On that hill, on 17th of November 1913, hundreds of Bhil tribes are killed by the British forces, and it is called the Adivasi Jallianwala, which took place 6 years before the Jallianwala massacre of Punjab. Okay, so very important. Mangarh is a hill near the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and 6 years before the Jallianwala massacre, and it's called Adivasi Jallianwala. So you can clearly see in this picture, British forces fire bullets to the tribesmen, and they protect themselves with spears, with guns, and all other instruments. Okay, so this picture shows the massacre of Mangarh. And to pay respect to these Bhil tribes, a monument, a pillar of monument is established near the Mangarh hills, and people gather here to pay respect to those Bhil tribes. Okay. Now we are going to solve one question on Mangarh massacre. So it is an Indian history. In the Indian history, Mangarh massacre took place after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. No, 6 years before the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It happened in 17th of November 1930, and Jallianwala happened in 1990. Okay, so this one is wrong. Second one is, it is referred to as the Adivasi Jallianwala, which saw hundreds of Bhil tribes be killed by British forces. Yes, it is called Adivasi Jallianwala because Bhil tribes are killed in this incident. Okay. Next one is, the hills of Mangarh is located on the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Yes, this is located on the border of Rajasthan and Gujarat. So second and third is correct. That means option C is correct. Just look at the answer. We are on the right path or not. So option is C. That means we are on the right path. So now let's move on to the next topic called GenU movement or generational unlimited movement. I think in introduction I called about global unlimited movement. No, it is it is a generation unlimited movement, or you can say GenU movement. So UNICEF, United Nations International Children for United Nations International Children for United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. So it's informed this launched the Global Generation Unlimited Movement. So remember, not any other organization. UNICEF, United Nations International Children for Emergency Fund. Okay. So this launched the Global Generation Unlimited Fund, Unlimited Movement, or you can say GenU, Generation Unlimited Movement, to meet the urgent needs of the young people. What is the need of the young people to meet their demand? UNICEF launched GenU movement. Okay, remember, meet the urgent need of young people, not which fall in the age group of this 10 to 24. Very important. Expanding learning, their learning capability, their skill development, their employment, and engagement opportunity. Okay, so learning, skill development, employment, as well as their engagement opportunity. So UNICEF launched GenU movement focused on the demand of the young people who are live in the age group of 10 to 24 movement, and this is focused on skill development, employment, you can say engagement opportunity, as well as learning. So learning, skill development, employment, and engagement opportunity. The Indian chapter of this is called UA. Okay, so India chapter in the whole GenU movement, GenU Unlimited movement is called UA, and UNICEF at UA is working with few state government. So UNICEF under UA working with the few state government of India to enhance young people's access to, so that young people access education, skilling, and civil engagement opportunity. So this Whole program, whole GenU movement is focused on learning, skill development, employment, and engagement opportunity. So Indian, you can say Indian chapter in this GenU movement is called UO. So UNICEF with few state government in collaboration with the few state government try to fulfill the demand of young people in the area of education, employment, and engagement opportunity. Okay, and skilling as well. So just look at the picture here. Generation Unlimited, creating better education, skill, employment, and entrepreneurship opportunity for young people worldwide. Okay, worldwide. Because it is UNICEF is a global organization. Okay. So now we are going on to solving one question on GenU movement. So it is a global multi-sector partnership to meet the urgent need for expand education, yes, training, employment opportunity for young people aged 10 to 24 years. Completely true. Global movement focus on 10 to 24 years of age and to expand education, training, and employment opportunity. Second one is it is launched by the United Nations Educational. No, it is not launched by UNICEF, United Nations International Children for Emergency Fund, United Nations for International Children Emergency Fund, something like that. Okay. So the Indian chapter of Generation Unlimited is UI, yes. The where state government are working to enhance young people's access to education, skilling, and civic engagement opportunity. Yes, completely true. 1:2, 3:2, second one is false. That means option is 1 and 2. That means option is C. Now just look on to the option we are on the right path or not. Yes, so we are on the right path. So option is C. Now move on to the next topic called SARFAESI, and the full form is Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Asset and Enforcement of Securities Interest Act 2022. Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Asset. Okay. Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Asset and Enforcement of Securities Interest. Okay. So full form is SARFAESI is this. So SARFAESI basically talk about privately held, please remember, not governmental, privately held asset reconstruction company, privately held ARC are set up in 2002 under the SARFAESI Act. So under the SARFAESI Act in 2022, privately owned asset reconstruction company is set up. So what is the role, what is the function of this ARCs? As per SARFAESI, ARCs are permitted, they have a permission to buy NPA, non-performing asset, from banks with combination of cash and securities. So ARC which are set up under SARFAESI is permitted to buy NPAs from the banks in the form of cash as well as security, in the combination of, you can say, cash as well as security. So ARC is buying NPAs from the bank in the combination of cash as well as security. They are expected, ARCs are expected to engage in loan recovery activity. They are expected to engage in how to recover the loan which becomes NPA, and thus the revival of underlying business and revival of, as a important businesses. So main function of ARC is to revive the loan recovery process or engage themselves into recovery of the loans which become NPA. So typically they charge management fee for the security they manage on the behalf of the bank. So they're doing the work of a bank. So on behalf of the bank, they charge some duty for managing these securities. Okay, ARCs charge this duty, and ARCs are also permitted. They are permitted to sell the security in the secondary market to qualified buyers. So they also have a permission to sell the security in the secondary market, and also to, you can say, qualified buyer, not to any buyer. So basically, ARC is set up under SARFAESI Act. He has a permission to buy NPAs from the bank in the form of cash as well as security, and also have a permission to sell this security in the secondary market to the certified or qualified buyers. And also they charge some management fee because they manage the security on the behalf of the bank. Okay, and it is set up, ARC is set up under SARFAESI in 2022, and they engage themselves in the process of loan and loan recovery, which become NPA. Okay, so this is a picture. SARFAESI Act, a law is, if not, you can say this is come, ARC is set up under the SARFAESI Act. So Act is basically a law under which many careers are given how ARCs, bank, and people deal with each other to recover in loan recovery, dealing with NPH as well as secondary market. Okay. So now we solve one question on it. Consider the following statement. In India, the privately held asset reconstruction company, or you can say ARCs, are set up under the SARFAESI. Yes, privately owned ARCs are set up under the SARFAESI in 2002. This one is correct. Second one is ARC in India can buy NPH from banks with the combination of cash and security. Yes, ARC buy NPH from the bank in the combination of cash and security. So second is also correct. That means option is C. Just check we are on the right path or not. So option is, I'm sorry, just talk about which one is incorrect. Since both are correct, that means neither one is incorrect. So option is D. I'm sorry, I generally mistaken here. You people do not do this. First, here check is it asking for correct or incorrect. If it is asking for incorrect, then both are correct. So option is D. Neither one is incorrect. So option is D. Let's move on to the another topic called Tholpavakkoothu. Tholpavakkoothu. What is basically Tholpavakkoothu? Tholpavakkoothu, one of the oldest shadow-based temple art form. It is one of the oldest shadow-based. Okay, that means they perform art activity in the light of on the you can say in the shadow form. So in a screen, they perform activity and people see this activity through their shadow. Okay? Let's say this is a screen. So artists perform behind the screen, and people who sit here, they see on the screen. So it is a oldest shadow-based temple art form. Oldest shadow-based temple art form. Very important. One of the oldest is a keyword. Shadow-based is a keyword, and temple art form is a keyword. Okay. So oldest shadow-based temple art form in the country, and it is basically from Kerala. Used to be male domain until recently. Until recently, this art is performed by the male. But in 2021, a woman member of the Tholpavakkoothu family. From this family, a woman member has produced an all-woman Tholpavakkoothu. So, for first ever. So, from the Tholpavakkoothu family, a woman produced a all-woman Tholpavakkoothu art form or so. So this is the first ever. Earlier it is dominated by men, but in 2022, one member of this family produced the all-woman Tholpavakkoothu. So very important. So you can clearly see here. Here is a screen, okay, and here is some lamp is burning. So artists perform their activity behind the screen, and people saw in front of screen. So it is a remember. Always I try to tell you remember. Oldest temple art form and shadow based. Earlier it is male dominated, but in 2021, family member of Tholpavakkoothu produced a all-woman Tholpavakkoothu. So for the first ever, very important. Okay. So now move on to the solving of question 9. Tholpavakkoothu is a shadow-based temple art form. Okay, shadow-based temple art form. So option is C. Just check we are on the right path or not. So we are on the right path. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Which of the following organs of a human body can be donated? Which of the following organs of a human body can be donated? So in our human body, many organs are there. So which one is donated? Which is given in this option? Can we donate heart? Yes. Can we donate liver? Yes. Can we donate cornea? Yes. Can we donate kidney? Yes. Can we donate pancreas? Yes. So how they look? I give you a picture here. So this is basically a picture of a heart form of a human being. So we donate heart to another person. Okay. This is a picture of our liver. So we also donate liver to the other people. Next, this is a picture of a cornea. This is very small. This is the large size picture of a cornea. So we can donate cornea also to other people. This one is a picture of our kidney. So we can also donate kidney to the other people. And this one is the picture of, you can say, pancreas. So we can also donate pancreas to the other people. So we donate kidney, we donate cornea, we donate heart, we donate pancreas, and we donate liver. So we donate all these things to another human. So our question is basically talking about, select the correct answer. Can we donate heart? Yes. Liver? Yes. Cornea? Yes. Kidney? Yes. Pancreas? Yes. So option is D. Just check we are on the right path or not. So we are on the right path. That means we donate all. So just summarize the whole topic in a small 5-minute video. So our first topic is, today our first topic is Mangarh Massacre. Okay. Second one is SARFAESI Act. Then Tholpavakkoothu. So next one is GenU movement, and the next one is organ donation. So in Mangarh Massacre is basically a massacre happened 6 years before the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, in which hundreds of Bhil tribes are killed by British forces. Okay, and this happened in 17th of November 1930, and it is happened on the, why it is called Mangarh Massacre, because it is happened on the hill of Mangarh, which lie on the border of Rajasthan as well as Gujarat. Okay, so very important. Second one is SARFAESI Act. So under SARFAESI Act in 2002, we, you can say, privately owned ARC are constituted under. So the function of ARC is, it take NPH from the bank, okay, in the form of cash as well as securities, and they engage themselves into the loan recovery process. They also sell this security in the secondary market to qualified buyer. Since they manage the whole security, so they charge some management fee on behalf of the bank. Okay, so this is a main important point of SARFAESI under which ARCs are formed. Okay, third one is we are talking about organ donation. So organ donation, which organ from our body we donate to the other human being? So very simple, we donate our heart. Many other, but our option is heart is there, so we donate heart, we donate liver, we donate kidney, we donate pancreas, and also we donate our cornea. Okay. So next one is Tholpavakkoothu. So it is basically an shadow-based temple art form of Kerala. Till now, it is dominated by men, but in 2021, a family member of Tholpavakkoothu family produced an all-women Tholpavakkoothu show, first ever. So temple-based art form, shadow-based temple art form, state of Kerala, and performed earlier dominated by men, but in 2020, all-women Tholpavakkoothu show is first ever produced by a family member of Tholpavakkoothu community. So and the last one is, I think, GenU movement, generational unlimited movement. So in this movement, UNICEF launched this movement, United Nations International Children for Emergency, International Children Emergency Fund. So UNICEF launched this GenU movement. So in this movement, they try to cater the, you can say, current, or you can say you can say recent demand, or you can say demand which are more prevalent in the young generation, which lie in the age group of 10 to 24, and they try to provide skilling, okay, entrepreneurship skill, skilling, employment, as well as engagement opportunity. So the chapter of you can say generational movement for India is Yuva. So UNICEF in collaboration with few state government try to provide educational opportunity, engagement opportunity, entrepreneurship, and skilling to the youth of India. Okay. So this one is very important and very significant. So I hope this is a very small video on 5 different issues. And today's issues are not so complex or not so broad. These are very simple. So I hope you love this topic, you understand this topic, and try to spread this knowledge in the whole world as much as possible. Because our aim that each and every people of the whole world aware of the important issues of the world, and they try to solve that problem on their own level. In this manner, we make this planet a good planet for the human being as well as for the other life form. So I hope you love this lecture and you enjoy this lecture. So Namaskaram. Thank you.